does a nurse need to have experience as an RN? Do you have to have your bachelor's? I understand everyone's got to be evaluated and that will be on a case-by-case basis, but like as a general rule, do nurses need to have that?
Rachel?
Well, actually, it's not a requirement that a nurse should have an experience, because what they are just going to check on for the nurse credentials will be if it's comparative to the U.S. standards. So it's not a requirement at all that the nurse should be able to have their experience. So even if they just graduated nursing, even they don't have any clinical experience or in whatever department it is, then they are eligible to apply for the NCLEX.
Okay, so in other words, according to the experts, everybody, even if you don't have experience, even if you don't have your bachelor's, your case would need to be evaluated to see if you would be eligible based on your background and education, but probably you can apply. And is that the correct statement?
There is also a state that needs experience. It's like Texas. The requirement for Texas is that you have to have an experience as a nurse within the past 4 years, or if you don't have experience, you graduated as a nurse within the past 4 years. So Texas is kind of there are qualifications to take the NCLEX in Texas board.
Okay. So Jean, are you saying then that some states might require experience, some don't? Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's where it's really helpful to have experts like IPASS that can help you to evaluate that and look at your specific background and see if that could be a fit.